What a beautiful day. Now that I got Pearl Harbor, finally, now I can finally watch it. Don't watch it. What? Just don't watch it. It has that scary THX logo when it used to creep me out when I was little. There's a ghost in a bed? Behind the pillow? And you're telling me there's a logo on this TV that's gonna freak me out? Just watch and see for yourself. Well, okay, what? Okay, hang on a minute. I need to look at the back. Nothing in the back. Wait, what? Just put the DVD there and just watch it! Fine. Oh my god. Told ya.